This dog is out.
No, no, no. Stay here, baby. Go get the other eggs. What's that one over there? Right here. Uh-oh.
I put the one that was already crashing in there. I had a feeling he was going to drop it. I think I see one over there. This way.
Go over there.
This way.
You found one. Can I see that? Can I see? Can I see? Show it to me. Can I see how many eggs you got? Can I see how many eggs you got? Aiden.
Yeah. One more.
One more. I see one over there. Over here. I see one over here. Keep going. Keep going.
Uh-oh. Can you show us your eggs?
Come here, show us your eggs. Can I see your eggs? Yay! Can you say choo-choo?
Aiden.
Choo-choo. Yeah.